Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance. Today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. I will leave it here, and one card from the fortune cookie. So we will see what it is as we proceed. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Capricorn. And Capricorn, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine who is an intuitive reader. So if you want that reading, you can contact her in favor, guys. I will be sharing the link in the description, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for you all today, Capricorn. So we have Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, and High Priestess. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are happy about something, guys. Maybe you feel contentment, happiness, accomplished. Maybe something has completed in a positive way, maybe some projects or assignments, whatever you did, and you're happy for your talents and skills, your actions, and you feel really, satisfied with the way things are going. So it may be your circumstance in your career or maybe in your relationship, guys. You are happy for something, Capricorn, maybe, and you are happy because you know the truth today, guys. Maybe on certain things you had some kind of fear, or something was telling you in your heart of hearts. You would have felt that something is wrong in this connection, something is missing, maybe, and intuitively you would have felt that this person is not really being honest or truthful to you, and you were quite worried about that, thinking of that. But today your fear has been proved right, and you know the exact reason. Their secrets may be. So someone is here revealing their secrets to you, or you know what is the reason for the way they are towards you or in this relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Death in reverse. So there are some irreversible changes happening, and it may be a very emotional day for you guys, because you have learned their secrets. You know what is the truth and what is the reason for their behavior. So all their mystery or whatever they were hiding is coming into light today, and you feel really lost and sad. You may feel that you don't want to do anything with this person. You just want this person away from you, and maybe for some of you they are moving away, guys. It may be a difficult thing to handle, but you are unable to make any changes to this situation. So however hard you may try, you are really powerless to make any change today, guys, to change their mind or to change the way things are going. So Capricorn, for your work situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Seven of Cups in reverse. So you may have a lot of dreams for yourself. You are planning on your future achievements, goals to be reached. And whatever you plan for, maybe you are going to see success very soon, guys, Capricorn. So your wishes, your dreams are coming true, and maybe the projects you are involved in may move towards a completion, a successful completion, Capricorn. So for your moon energies, guys, we picked one card, so we will see what it is. It's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. So today, Capricorn, in your circumstances, you may be really worried about something, really paranoid, thinking about something again and again. But this is a very strong card. It just asks you to stop worrying. So worrying yourself is pointless at this time, guys. So it is really the time for you to release all that negativity you have in a circumstance you are asking about. Maybe if someone has treated you badly, this is time for you to release them, and it is a very emotional time for you guys with full moon and Scorpio. Scorpio is a very emotional sign. So no matter what you are, maybe circumstances are making you show your shadow side. So something you wished never to show to anyone. So it is going to make you more emotional and sad. And you may tell this person some nasty things. So it may be your energy or their energy towards you guys. So for everything better to happen, you must give up all that negativity you have. So fearing something of your fearing something may happen in your future and feeling worried about what is happening today, you can give up all those negative thoughts and live joyfully, guys. And maybe if you were suspecting something in your circumstances, Capricorn, that is going to come true. And if you feel really sad about yourself and you may have a lot of anger towards someone, you need to let go of all that toxic feeling you have in your circumstances today, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the fortune cookie for you all today, guys. Planning. Now is the time to lay the foundation for your future. Financial gains are more than likely. So good changes are coming in your work situation. That was what we saw with the previous cards for your career circumstances, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.